everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook egg muffins. Some call them egg frittatas. They're super easy, and the best thing is they only take 4 ingredients: a sharp cheddar cheese, a dozen eggs, some pre-cooked sausage or whatever meat you like, and some cooking spray. You'll want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You'll want to crack a dozen eggs into a large bowl and go ahead and mix those up. I'm using a whisk, but a fork would work just fine. You can use whatever you have on hand. You do want to mix them up good. Then take your pre-cooked sausage or whatever pre-cooked meats and vegetables that you wanted to add to your muffins. And I go ahead and slice them up. I use the Jimmy Dean pre-cooked just because it's easier. But by all means, you can, cook some up ahead of time, add bacon, whatever herbs you want. Go ahead and add the sliced pieces into the bowl. Now I have 6 slices of sausage, 6 links per dozen eggs. Go ahead and salt and pepper these. And once you do that, you'll want to go ahead and give them a quick stir again. Now take your cooking spray and lightly coat your muffin pan. Just a little bit is fine, it just helps them come out. I like to pour my eggs into a measuring cup. It makes it easier for them to pour. You'll want to put into the muffin pan to right about there. Now go ahead and continue to fill each one up. Don't worry if you overfill them. If you do, all you do is take a spoon and you can just take a little bit out of the overfilled ones and put it into the ones that need some more added to them. So at this time your oven should be preheated. Now your last step is to go ahead and add some cheddar cheese on top of these. And this is also to taste. I'm not a real measurer when it comes to cooking, so I just grab a decent handful and go ahead and top each of these with that. But you can adjust it to taste or omit it altogether. Now go ahead and add these to the oven and adjust your time to 20 minutes. So after the 20 minutes is up, you can go ahead and remove them from the oven and slightly let them cool. How I take them out is I have a small spatula and I just go around all 4 sides with it, and they come out really easy. So I'll give you a quick peek of what they look like once they come out here. Store them in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, and I find it easiest just to put them in baggies. They're quick and easy just to grab on the go. They take about 25-30 seconds to heat up in the microwave. So I hope you enjoyed this cooking show. It's my first cooking show ever, so I do plan on doing a keto-friendly cooking show, probably posting every Friday, so check back.